Have you ever watched a movie where robots work like a human and you wondered, what if that is possible one day? Well, time to time we have seen many machines like drones that can fly and be controlled from miles away, robot dog that can run super fast with maintaining balance. We have seen the robotic hand that can be controlled like a part of your body. And now there's Dawn Avatar Robot Cafe, which is a unique type of cafe where actual robots take orders as waiters. You didn't see that coming, did you? The robot's name is Orihime-D. It is not a robot that employs artificial intelligence or in short, AI, but people operate these robots remotely from their homes. Since 2018, the pop-up cafe Dawn Avatar Cafe has been giving opportunities for people with disabilities to work as cafe staff by remotely controlling a robot server, Orihime, designed by Ore Laboratories. A small robot is placed on each table for ordering drinks. Then the drinks are delivered by another robot with hands. The robots are 120 centimeters tall and equipped with a camera, microphone, and speaker, allowing them to communicate with customers when receiving or serving orders. They are operated remotely via the internet using simple eye movements or gestures and become avatars, an alter ego with body by selecting prepared pattern motions for the workers who cannot leave their homes due to their physical conditions. With a state-of-the-art system that allows remote staff members to log on to any robot in the cafe, pilots can jump between different access points depending on where they are needed without physically having to move. When they are not tending to customers, they can log on to robots stationed in the back room for a little water cooler talk. This is huge and life-changing to most people with disabilities. They can be at home, hospital, or somewhere else with an internet connection and a device to connect to the robot server they can work. According to a forecast by Verified Market Research, the global market for remote-controlled robots will grow to $789 million in 2027, up from $181 million in 2019. The spread of 5G and 6G technology expected to help fuel the growth. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new as we expected. Until next time.